Hi everyone, welcome back to the refrigerator. Today we are going to read a story about being yourself. The book is called Naked Mole Rat Gets Dressed, and the author is Mo Willems. Mo Willems wrote the Elephant and Piggie books we read the other day. Let's learn about our friend Wilbur. Naked Mole Rat Gets Dressed. There is so much to learn about the fascinating little creatures known as naked mole rats. For this story, you only need to know 3 things. They are a little bit rat, they are a little bit mole, they are all naked. Well, they were, with one exception. Wilbur, the naked mole rat who liked to get dressed. Hello. When the other naked mole rats saw him, they said, "Ew, yuck, what are you doing?" "I like clothes," replied Wilbur. "When I get dressed, I can be fancy or funny or cool, or I can just be an astronaut." When the others heard that, they said, "Ew, yuck. If you like clothes so much, then why don't you open a store or something?" Naked mole rats can be very sarcastic. But Wilbur thought that was a great idea. The other naked mole rats did not. They brought Wilbur to a giant portrait of Grandpa, the oldest, greatest, and most naked mole rat ever. "Look at that picture," they demanded. "Look at his heroic face. Look at his regal bearing. Look at his total lack of clothing." Grandpa did look heroic. Grandpa did look regal. But he would also look heroic and regal in a casual shirt and some nice summer slacks. "Ugh," said the other naked mole rats. "Don't you get it? Naked mole rats don't wear clothes." "Why not?" asked Wilbur. Something had to be done. The naked mole rats marched right over to Grandpa and told him all about Wilbur. And then he asked, why not? Grandpa was very wise. He thought seriously about everything he had heard. And then he thought some more. Finally, he said in a heroic, regal voice, "Gather the colony! I shall make a proclamation! A proclamation, a proclamation, a proclamation!" When Wilbur heard about Grandpa's proclamation, he knew it was serious. But he had no idea what to wear. In the end, Wilbur decided to play it safe. Maybe not safe enough. The others were so busy looking at Wilbur's socks that no one noticed Grandpa enter until he cleared his throat and proclaimed, "Fellow naked mole rats, I had never worn clothes until I heard Wilbur's simple question, why not? Why not indeed? Do clothes hurt anyone? No. Are they fun? Well, they might not be for everyone, but this old naked mole rat wishes he had tried getting dressed earlier." And then Grandpa complimented Wilbur on his socks. As fast as his legs could take him, Wilbur rushed home, put on his favorite outfit, and dashed back. When he returned, Wilbur discovered he was not alone. Much has been said about that day, but for this story, you only need to know 3 things. Some of the mole rats were naked, some of the mole rats were clothed. All of the mole rats had a great time. No exceptions. The end. All right, my friends, let's get ready to draw Wilbur. All right, to get ready to draw Wilbur, we need our pencil, and we're going to put our paper vertically today. The first thing we're going to do is draw a rectangle with rounded corners. Now we are going to draw Wilbur's teeth, which are long. We're going to draw at the bottom corner another rectangle, and then in that rectangle, we're going to draw a line, just like that. Wilbur has two little nose holes, so we're just going to draw 2 dots for that. And his eyes are going to be just a little bit bigger, just like this. And we can give him some eyebrows, little curvy lines. For Wilbur's ears, we're going to draw circles at the top corner. And then we're going to give a little bit of detail by drawing 3 little lines inside of his ears, just like that. Next, we're going to give Wilbur his body. His body is going to be 2 curvy lines looking like a naked mole rat. For his arms, we're going to draw 2 L's inside of each other, just like this. And then we're going to give him some fingers. Pat his belly. We can give Wilbur another arm by drawing 2 lines and some more fingers. Now he's waving high. Wilbur needs a belly button. Just a dot down there. And I want my Wilbur to get dressed, so I'm going to give him a bow tie. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with to dress your naked mole rat. All right, get out your marker and do some tracing. All right, a naked mole rat's skin is like a light pink, pale color. Any shade of pink that you have, or any color will work. I'm going to paint my background. I think this time I'm going to use some green. All right, that's my naked mole rat. Well, semi-naked mole rat. I hope you guys had fun today on the refrigerator. Stay tuned right now to see some pictures that people have sent me. Hopefully you'll see yours. See you next time.